What are we getting today?
We are here today at our buddy Pete's house, picking up yet another car. And I'll show you guys in a bit what that is. You think it...
Why is Pete back in here?
Okay. I just didn't want to block
Pete.
traffic.
Hi, I just woke up. You can see.
I suck with the trailer, so this
I'm not any better.
This will be a shit show.
Go.
You guys want this?
Sure.
Wait, should we flip the S13 around?
Up to you. I mean, when I sold my Z32, I did the same thing. I just...
Oh, you backed it into the
I
trailer?
backed it in.
Okay. I guess that'll work too.
If it's not, we'll give it back to you.
This is gonna go around the front sway bar. Spiders! Perfect. Let me get this out of the street and we'll chat for a bit.
I think it's bolted up.
It's pretty on there? Okay.
Well, it's bolted up right here, but it's not going in with the shit.
Okay, that should be alright. Let me just move this out of the way real quick. Alright guys, we just got the car off of the trailer. So right now what we're going to do is kind of just take apart the front end to get it ready for the Sylvia conversion. I don't think we're going to be using pretty much anything on this thing. So the hood's coming off, fenders, front bumper, headlights, headlight brackets, crash beam. And then we're also going to go through the interior and kind of just sort through the miscellaneous parts and see what we're actually keeping and what we're throwing away. And then I guess we'll also sort, you know, the to be determined parts, because there's a bunch of random stuff in here. But yeah, it's kind of just going through the car and kind of seeing what we're going to need and what's missing and sorting what's already there. Rat shit. Oh no, it's zip ties. That means I can probably just go eat. I want to pull the seats out too, the rear seats and everything, so we can at least vacuum. There's all this audio wire. Please don't let anything crawl out at me. Jesus Christ. Yeah. Alright guys, so yesterday we finished stripping the pop-up front end on this S13. We got the fenders off, bumper, you know, I left the hood just so that we had some type of a covering for the engine bay. I didn't want it to get too insanely dirty, but it's looking a lot more bare now. And then on the inside we kind of just decluttered the items that are in there. I still need to like vacuum and dry ice the floorboards and stuff like that, but it's looking not that bad, honestly. We gave it a quick wash just to kind of assess some of the body damage that I'm going to have to repair, but all in all it looks pretty good, so stay tuned for the next episode. We might be moving forward with the Sylvia conversion and maybe a little bit more cleanup, but it's a really clean donor car. It has a lot of potential for what we're going to do with it, which is just straight track. It's not going to be, you know, built for street or anything like that, so we can kind of have a little bit more free reign with what we're going to do as far as, you know, performance and suspension wise and stuff. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about this build just because it's blank canvas for me. And it's, you know, I don't think it'll take much to get it back on the track. So stay tuned for the next one, guys.